Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Roni. Hello, and this is the look that you're going to see. So I did a get ready with me kind of thing, and I just turned the camera on, so I wasn't talking or anything like that. So the first thing I am going to go in with is the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid. I've not used it before, so oh, I'd forgotten to wet my beauty sponge. This is the Morphe sponge, and it grows huge. So I'm just blending out that strobing liquid, and don't leave it as long as I did, because it's really hard to blend out, it dries. So my foundation I'm going in with is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in 1N2 Ecru, and I also mix that with some Lancome Tate Doll Ultra Wear in the beige nature. Okay. I dotted that around my face and blended that out with that beauty blender, that Morphe sponge as well. My concealer today, I am using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser in the shade Neutralizer. Just popping that on those normal places like you do. I haven't done a full face for quite a while, I don't think. So yeah, I have been loving no foundation or anything like that, so it was a bit weird wearing so much makeup. But this was actually a makeup look that I was doing because I was going out to a Christmas party. So it was the evening and I wanted to look super glam. Right, so once I've done my foundation, I like to relax, resting bitch face, don't move, let it settle. I'm going to go in with the 39a palette. Oh, what's that colour called? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what that colour's called. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so on a big fluffy brush, I went into Bear. And I'm popping that on in my crease and blending it upwards. Keep adding until it's as deep and dark as you like. Next colour I go in with is Frame, just to darken that outer corner. And I also use that to go into the inner corner. So we're doing a halo, spotlight, eye. I don't know. Halo, spotlight. Spotlight. It's a spotlight eye. I'm doing a spotlight eye. I'm sticking to that, honestly. So I swapped it for a smaller brush just to get into that inner bit, because I was being lazy and I didn't want to have to swap brushes, but I needed to because my eye was too short. Then I realised I could move my camera in closer so you could get a better look at what I'm doing. So that's that Frame colour again. Just packing that into the outer and inner part, and then once there's not much left on the brush, then just join those together in the crease, and obviously leaving that middle section bare. Not bare the colour, bare as in naked bare, as in nothing there. Keep blending and blending and blending and blending and blending, and then blend some more. So adding colour, blending it, adding colour, blending it, adding colour, blending it. Just keep on going. Keep it going until, yeah, you get it. You understand, you know. And then I went in with a big fluffy brush again and back into that first colour Bear and just blending that. I'm slowly sneaking higher and higher towards my brow. And the next colour I'm going in with is Expression, I do believe. And we're just going to use that just to deepen and darken that outer and inner portion a little bit more. I wanted it darker, a little bit darker. So just repeating. Oh, and then I'm trying to decide which colour do I use for my centre. One of those is Artistic in the 39A palette. I do think that the other two were from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I was dipping my fingers in all sorts of different colours because I wasn't sure what colour I would like to do. And once we've packed that on with our little phalanges there, just going back in with that small blending brush, and you can see what I'm doing. I'm just popping into the crease again with that darker colour, just making sure that it didn't rise too high up. This is the Jaclyn Vault collection. This is the shade VIP from the, is it the Armed and Gorgeous? Right, we are going to the face now and contouring with the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. I'm just fluffing my brush into those two lighter shades, mixing them and going into my hollows, so tilting my brush up slightly to keep it going up, not down, dragging my face down too much. Round the perimeter, all those normal places which we like to contour. Down my nose, and also down that nose. I don't get a tiny little brush to contour my nose. I just go in with this ginormous brush and I'm just warming my face up really with this shade mainly. And don't forget to do under your lip as well and get that lip looking all pouty and beautiful. Then once we've done that, I'm mapping out obviously my chin because I've got like no chin. So I like to contour around my chin, give my chin an actual shape, and then carve out that jawline a little bit more, give it a bit more of a shape, a bit more of an angle to it, a bit more of everything I need, I think. And then once we've done that, I go into the deeper shade and I just do right at the backs of my cheeks with that, just to give it a little bit more of that contour. And then to warm up those cheeks, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 8W Warm Masters palette, and I'm dipping into that Unapologetic shade, I think that's what it's called, on a big old fluffy Real Techniques brush. Get that creepy Grinch smile going on there and getting that colour right on those cheeks, right on those cheekies. Once we have done that, I do like whip over my end of my nose. Don't forget that little plastic bit that goes back in every single one of my palettes. No flinging them out for me. This is the Nutcracker Sweet palette by MAC. It came out last year, year before maybe, and I'm going into that highlighter shade because it is stunning. It is beautiful. I'm going to go in and highlight those usual places. So above the brow, the tip of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and I like to pop a little bit on my chin as well. And make sure you are glowing. This could obviously double up as a nice New Year's Eve look as well. So because I'm uploading it far too late for Christmas, because I am, or I have been, ridiculously busy. I'm also going in with that colour from that MAC highlighting and blush duo into the inner corner as well. And then we are just duplicating our tops to our bottoms. So all those colours that I went in with on my eyes on the top, we are going to do it down below on the bottom of the eye. Nowhere else, thank you. And I am super lazy and I like to use pretty much the same brushes, so I just squidge my brushes together. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Morphe gel liner pot in, I think it's Jet, and a slanty brush, and just doing a very close eyeliner. I don't want it particularly, like, I'm not doing a winged eyeliner, I don't think. Do I? No, I don't think I do. Just close, because I am going to put some false lashes on. Yay to me. So once we've done our gel liner on both of our eyeballs, I'm popping on some mascara. Oh, I do put that in the waterline. Don't know why. It was rubbish in the waterline. I just used a pencil in the end. This is a new... Ready? Was that satisfaction or was that satisfaction? This is a new mascara and it's horrible. I did not like it one little bit. The wand is tiny and stumpy, little things that don't grab hold of your lashes properly. I don't like little plastic wands on mascaras, and yeah, no, didn't like it at all. And it is actually the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama, which I've heard such good things about, but it just, no, it doesn't do anything. It's, you'll see, it makes them a little bit blacker. I like my mascara to do a good job, to do something, but this did not. So, oh look, cheeky me, I bent off, I got changed quickly, popped on some false eyelashes, and I just quickly tight lined my upper with that Morphe gel liner just to mesh in those false eyelashes as well. And then I went in with the new Maybelline lip kit in Spicy Sangria. The pencil, oh, you'll see, the pencil is in the shade Rich Wine, which for this look was a little bit too, it feels a little bit too pinky, I think. You'll see in a second, and I didn't think that the lip liner actually went with the lipstick, which is a bit weird. The lipstick is in the shade Spicy Sangria. As you can see, it's very, the lipstick is a very like blood red. It's, you know, real deep. It's so shiny, it's really pretty, but the liner is more of a bright pinky colour. So I just popped that lipstick over it in the end to hide it, because I didn't think it went together very well. But other than that, they're two quite nice products, but just not as together. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. It was fun, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!